Hello everybody, welcome back my fellow makers and foam fanatics. Been a lot of con cancellations, travel restrictions, and also it's not really quite safe to leave your house. So I've been thinking, so while everything's on lockdown and quarantine, I think the best thing to do is not only stay in and wash your hands and stay 6 feet away from people, but take this time and do something creative. If you're anything like me, I've got tons of foam scraps in my shop. So what I'm going to do while I'm trapped in my house for a while is I'm going to make something from foam scraps. So this is the new Foam Fanatic Challenge. I'm asking you people out there to make something out of found objects throughout your house. Now, this means, here's the rules, and this also be with honor system. You guys have got to be honest about this. It can't involve going out and buying something or shopping for anything. It has to be with everything in your house right now. So what I would like you guys do, make something. I'm going to dig through my stuff today, see what I can find, and I'm going to make something built strictly from scraps and things in my house. You do it too. And once you guys are done, please post it on Evil Ted's Foam Fanatics. It's a Facebook group I have. It's listed in the video link below. If you haven't joined that group, please join it. And also, you guys can get on my mailing list. Just go to eviltedsmith.com and join the mailing list. But what we do is go ahead and make something, build it, and when you're done, please post the video of what you've been doing while you're stuck in the house. It's a scary time, but right now, let's focus on doing something creative and fun. So if you guys are ready, let's get started, okay? Make something. Once it's done, post it. Now, I got to think about what I want to make. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you back next time right here on the Evil Ted channel.